Welcome to StudyCare, Easy Way of Learning. Today we explore Lesson 4 of Class 11 Geography, Climate and Natural Vegetation of India. India's climate ranges from icy cold in the Himalayas to tropical heat in the coastal regions. This diversity in climate has shaped an equally rich variety of natural vegetation. In this lesson, we will learn the major factors affecting India's climate, the seasonal changes, and the types of natural vegetation found in different parts of the country. Let's start. Climate of India. Factors affecting climate. India's climate is shaped by latitude, altitude, pressure and winds, distance from the sea, and relief features. Each of these plays a unique role in deciding temperature, rainfall, and wind patterns. Latitude. India stretches from 8 degrees 4 N to 37 degrees 6 feet N. Southern states like Kerala and Tamil Nadu, near the equator, receive vertical sun rays almost all year, creating hot and humid conditions. Northern regions like Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir, farther from the equator, receive slanting rays, making them cooler. Kerala's winter temperature stays around 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, while Srinagar can drop below 0 degrees Celsius. Altitude. Temperature decreases with height at an average rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius per 1000 meters. This is why hill stations like Shimla are much cooler than the plains. The Himalayas also block freezing winds from Central Asia, keeping most of northern India warmer than similar latitudes elsewhere. Pressure and winds. In summer, intense heating over northwest India creates low pressure that draws in moist winds from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, the southwest monsoon. In winter, high pressure over the Himalayas pushes dry winds toward the oceans, the northeast monsoon. Distance from the sea. Coastal cities like Mumbai, Kochi, and Chennai have moderate climates due to the sea's ability to store and release heat slowly. Inland cities like Jaipur and Delhi face extreme heat in summer and severe cold in winter. Relief features. Mountains, plateaus, and valleys affect rainfall patterns. The Western Ghats receive heavy rain on the windward side but very little on the leeward side due to the rain shadow effect. The Himalayas trap monsoon winds, causing heavy rain in regions like Assam and Meghalaya. Seasons in India. Winter, December-February. Low sun angles and cold winds make temperatures drop. Northern plains experience fog and frost, the Himalayas see heavy snowfall. Coastal areas stay relatively warm. Summer, March-May. Temperatures rise sharply. The Thar Desert can exceed 45 degrees Celsius. Hot, dry low winds blow across northwest India. Kerala and Assam receive pre-monsoon showers. Southwest monsoon, June-September. The main rainy season, caused by the southwest monsoon winds. The Western Ghats, northeastern states, and coastal areas get heavy rains, while Rajasthan remains dry. Retreating monsoon, October-November. The monsoon withdraws, and winds blow from land to sea. The Bay of Bengal often faces cyclones. Tamil Nadu gets most of its annual rainfall in this season. Natural vegetation of India. Definition and importance. Natural vegetation is plant life that grows without human interference, shaped by climate, soil, and relief. It provides oxygen, protects soil, and supports biodiversity. Tropical evergreen forests. Found in areas with over 200 centimeters annual rainfall, like the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Western Ghats, and northeast states. Trees remain green year-round. Common species, mahogany, rosewood, rubber. Tropical deciduous forests. Found in 100–200 centimeters rainfall areas like Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, and Chhattisgarh. Trees shed leaves during dry seasons. Common species, sal, teak, sandalwood. Thorn forests and scrubs. Found in less than 70 centimeters rainfall regions like Rajasthan and Gujarat. Plants have spines to reduce water loss. Examples: cactus, acacia. Montane forests. Found in the Himalayas, vegetation changes with height, tropical at lower slopes, coniferous at mud level, alpine near snowline. Mangrove forests. Found in tidal regions like the Sundarbans. Trees have breathing roots. Home to the Royal Bengal tiger. Wildlife and conservation. India has rich wildlife: tigers, elephants, rhinos, lions, over 1,300 bird species. National parks and sanctuaries help protect them. The Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 supports conservation. In conclusion, India's climate and natural vegetation are deeply interconnected. Rainfall and temperature patterns decide vegetation type, from dense forests to deserts. Protecting this diversity ensures environmental stability for future generations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to StudyCare, easy way of learning for more educational content.